In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts on Notion. This is a very useful feature if you manage more than one workspace and want to switch between them quickly without logging out every time. To get started, make sure you're already on your Notion homepage. This can be either on the desktop app or the web version, as the steps work the same on both. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your name along with the initial of your name. This area represents your current account and workspace. Go ahead and click on your name or the initial icon. As soon as you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains account-related options and settings that control how you access Notion. Within this drop-down, look for the option that says Add Another Account. This is the key option that allows you to use multiple Notion accounts in one place. Click on Add Another Account. After doing this, Notion will prompt you to either sign up or log in to another account. You'll see several sign-in options available. You can choose to continue using a Google account, Apple account, or Microsoft account. You may also see options such as logging in with a passkey or using single sign-on, also known as SSO. Choose whichever option matches the account you want to add. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login process. This usually only takes a moment. Once you're successfully logged in, Notion will automatically add this second account to your profile. You won't need to repeat the setup process again for this account. After the account is added, switching between accounts becomes much faster and more convenient. Anytime you want to change accounts, simply click your name again in the top left corner. You'll now see multiple accounts listed in the drop-down menu. Select the account you want to use and Notion will instantly switch you over. This setup is especially helpful if you work on personal projects, client work, or team spaces separately. Each account keeps its own pages, permissions, and settings, so your work stays organized and clearly separated. Just make sure you're always in the correct account before editing or sharing content. You can repeat this same process to add more accounts if needed, all from the same menu. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple accounts on Notion and can now switch between them quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.